Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try something a little bit new. I've seen a lot of artists online using this technique and it was just something I really wanted to try. The idea is that instead of using a palette to put your paint on and blend the colours and then transfer it onto the canvas, you can put the paint straight onto the canvas in the areas that you'll think you'll need that certain colour, and then use a palette knife to blend the colours and create your painting. It was definitely challenging because you basically have to maneuver the colours to where you need them, but this painting was more about experimentation, and I really wanted it to have an abstract, quirky, edgy vibe. It wasn't necessarily about creating a masterpiece. As you guys know as well, I absolutely love painting skies, and I think this technique works really well with that striking sky because the colours are so vivid. Today's video has been kindly sponsored by Arteza. They supply premium art supplies and they were kind enough to gift me some art materials to make some of my videos with. And today's painting has been done with the Arteza Acrylic Premium Paint Set. The paints are perfect for this type of painting because they are really viscous, which means that they glide across the canvas really easily, really smoothly. You don't need a lot of water to make them blend. And also I just love how bright these colours are. I feel like they really pop off the canvas and they're very striking. So if you do want to give these paints a go, I'll pop all the information in the description box about what colours I've used and links to the products. So if you want some more information, feel free to go to the description box and check that out. But mostly guys, I want to just thank you so much for your support. I'll leave you with some relaxing music so that you can enjoy the rest of this painting coming together.